This is Money Bites. My name is James Blair, and today's topic, dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is one of those terms that you're like, why can't we just call it what it is? Dollar cost averaging simply is, instead of putting all of your money into the share market, it's regularly putting money in over a period of time in some sort of strategy or theory to get a certain outcome. So if we're thinking about when you invest money to start with, investing money in a lump sum, there's really one of two outcomes. The investment will go up in value, or, as you guessed it, the investment will go down in value. Now that might not be a big deal if you have a small amount of money, but if you're investing a really material amount of money, it might be from a property sale, it might be an inheritance, it might be your retirement savings, that investment drops in value straight away, you're really going to feel it. So instead of investing it all in one lump sum, you might decide to invest regularly over a period of time. So sometimes we see people invest, say, 10% of their money each month over 10 months to get to 100% of the total value of the investment. Now you might go, well, why might I do something like that? It's because you're worried that your investment is going to drop in value. So instead of investing a lump sum in one day, if you're investing a lump sum, you're taking the value of the share market on that day. Instead, you're taking the value each day over those 10 times across 10 months. So you're getting an average value of the investment, which averages out your entry point. A really good example of dollar cost averaging is KiwiSaver. You don't have a lump sum of retirement, you're regularly contributing a portion of your income. So dollar cost averaging is, instead of chucking it all in at once, you're putting in some money over a period of time. Now, you might want to look into the research behind it. You're actually not really better off doing that. And with the research shows you're just as good off just putting the money in a lump sum. But that is what dollar cost average is. My name is James Blair, and this is Money Bites.